In this session, we are going to discuss about operators and expressions. There are various types of operators in C language. We have the arithmetic operators, which are helpful to us while performing arithmetic operations. Examples are plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulo. Plus can be pre-increment or a post-increment, and in similar way, minus can be pre or post-decrement. There are different types of relational operators: double equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Relational operators can help me to compare two different operands and find out the relation between them. We also have the logical operators: double ampersand, double or not. Logical operators are helpful to us to check whether the multiple conditions are together true or either of the condition is true. There are the bitwise operators. We can apply bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise NOT. There is a left shift operator as well as a right shift operator. C language also supports assignment operator in terms of equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, and so on. There are miscellaneous operators in C, namely as a ampersand, which is an address of operator, star, which is a content of operator. Size of is not a function in C but an operator, and there is a ternary operator, question mark colon. Let's discuss arithmetic expressions. For example, consider the expression z is equal to x plus y. In this expression, x and y are the operands. Here, plus is a binary operator which is operating on two operands. In this expression, z is a variable. X and y, they are either variable or the constants. Depending on how many operands are there for an operator, we have the different types of operators, namely as a unary operator, which operates on single operand, binary operator, and ternary operator. Ternary operator operates on three operands. Let's discuss operator precedence in detail. If expression is having multiple operators, then precedence of the operator is taken into consideration to decide the order of evaluation. Let's see an example. Z is equal to x plus y star w. So in this expression I have two operators, namely plus and star. So in above expression, multiplication operator is having more precedence than the plus. So I apply the multiplication first and then plus. Let's discuss operator associativity in detail. Associativity is either left to right or it is right to left. Associativity helps us to decide the order in which operators of equal precedence are evaluated. So if there is an expression wherein the operators are having equal precedence, then associativity helps us to decide the order of evaluation. For example, consider the expression x is equal to 40 multiplied by 20 divided by 10. In this expression, I have multiplication and division operator. Note that both multiplication as well as division have the same precedence. So in this case, I need to take into consideration associativity to decide the order of evaluation of operators. In above expression, star and divide both have the same priority. Hence, associativity matters. In this case, the associativity is left to right, and that's why apply multiplication first and then do the division. So thus, associativity is helpful to us when we are dealing with operators of same priority. This table gives you information about the operator precedence and associativity. Operators with highest precedence are there in the top rows. As we go down, the precedence of the operator goes down. Operators in the same row have the same precedence. In that case, when we are dealing with such operators, we need to take into consideration associativity. In the next session, we are going to discuss formatted input-output operations using library functions. Till then, thank you.